Hey guys, we're continuing the video coming to you live from the USA. So today we got a bit of an unboxing to do, but first, I want to talk about the company. Soyes is a German mobile phone company, and what I have right here in my hands today is one of the products. And they I don't know. I actually don't know much about them, guys. I just searched them up just a second ago. But I got this last time, like, hey, I'm gonna make a video today on this. So here we go. This is a Soyes 7S. It had. This is the box for it. It has. It's white. It's Android. It has 1 gigabyte of RAM. ROM, 8 gigs. Includes the PAT-R of the system. I don't know much about phones, guys, so let's open it up. Here you go. It's actually just like the iPhone. Just pull it right out. So first we got, they already put a screen protector on? Dang. So first we got phone, and compared to my hand, I'm doing this with one hand, it's hard. And this is like compared to my hand, guys. That's how small it is. Yeah, they didn't put the screen protector on, right? Dang it. Next thing we got is the accessories. So right here we got the SIM ejector. Nothing special. So, and we also got the charging cable here too. It's pretty short, and I don't know what kind of charging cable that is. So let's open it up. Oh wow, it's phone. So here we got, oh wow, we got the case. See, we got the user manual. And then something in what appears to be what? Japanese? Chinese? The Soyes was oh, and on back of this we have a screen protector, new one. But I thought it was a German company. That's weird. So I'm gonna put this all back, and we don't need that right now. So where's the? It's a clear case, so it's easy to lose these. And plus, it's no bigger. And just like the last one, it's no bigger than my hand. So let me, wow, this is pretty easy. It even has some speakers. No headphone jack. Let's see, does it turn on? Yes, it does. Oh, wow. Welcome. I think they covered up the camera. Yeah, they covered up the cameras with the screen protector. Dude, did you see that? They even left some bubbles. Big embezzlement. So this runs on the iPhone, on the iOS, Android operating system. Wow, it works like a dream. Well, as good as a little phone can do. To open up the camera. And did y'all hear that? It doesn't have a SIM card yet, so nothing I can do with it. Let me go check the gallery. If we hold down the, okay, there we go. There you go. So let's test out the qualities of the camera. And honestly, this is how good it will become. Like, that's my phone, that's my face. It's blurred because of the screen protector. Okay, I'm guessing it's on. Yo. There you go. Yo, what's up? Yo, dude. That's bright. Test. Thing. Remember my voice. Turn off. Okay, it's saving now. What was that thing? There you go. Yo, what's up? Dude, sounds just like the old, Dude, that sounds just like the old, what do you call it? The old phones. No. Back. Oh, crap. Message sized reached. Oh my god, I didn't even type a message. So let me just delete that real quick. Okay, let's test the camera. I mean the audio. Yo, what's up? Can y'all hear me? What's up? Can y'all hear me? Okay, so that's how it sounds like. Doesn't sound great. Other than that, so this is just as big as my whole hand, as y'all know. It has two cameras, and they actually made some more of these, but like knockoff versions of the iPhone 7. I forgot which iPhone, but it actually had the home button too, down here. And as of that, it's real cool. Apparently, you can grab this in more than just white colors. You grab in black, pink, and blue. Wow. I just still can't believe it. So, yeah. I don't know if I should be using this phone for upcoming videos or what. Let me know. And after that, let me see if I can type in a message. Goodbye.